Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Buick LaCrosse CXL. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Buick has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, child seat anchors, power door locks, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.